What's up, Holmes? It's your boy CartoonTaj in the building, and welcome to the first episode of Drawin Spit, talking that ish. You feel me? And I'm already started, man. I'm gonna kick it off, man. Drawing yours truly, myself. As you can see, man, I'm already going in, drawing my face. I really started off with the underdrawing of my face overall for time constraints. And this is me. CartoonTaj. I'm from Savannah, Georgia. I love art, man. Graduated from SCAD. Still paying money. Student loan debt. You guys know how it is. You go to college, man. I just advise people, man, you guys just to continue to keep working hard, man, and continue to strive for your dreams. Even though if you go to college, you know it's gonna pay for you. Right now, I'm drawing my body. I'm working out, hitting the gym. See, I'm drawing the traps. Okay, I'm drawing my arms. Okay, you can see drawing my left side of my arm, and I love line work, so I'm just trying to make sure my line is right and tight and very copacetic. Me being a line artist, I try to make sure it's nice and run. Sorry about that. Right now, I'm drawing my fingers. It's always the toughest part. So as you can see, doing this time lapse, I'm always over here because sometimes I struggle. Sometimes, like one of the fingers look like I took it from Shaq hand, but eventually I got it. So right now I'm drawing the pen, and all this is from the dome, man, straight from the dome. So I gotta adjust, gotta reshape my hand, the pen, make sure everything really aligned and really even. And yeah, guys, my career, man, it's been grinding, man. I work hard. I work with one of your favorite artists. Yeah, I've been on pretty cool platforms. All this is just from the grace of the God-given talent that God gave me. And you guys got to continue. You want to make it in life, to continue. If it's something that you want, go for it. If you have the talent, if you don't have the talent, you love to do it. Just learn. Try to be the best version of that you can be in whatever you want to do. Now, as you see, I'm trying to straighten my hand up. I told you guys, man, it's from the dome, man. So I'm trying to make sure this is right, especially if this is gonna be on YouTube. So right now, I'm just trying to add some line weight. One of my professors at SCAD, man, John Rise, man. Shout out to Rise. I don't know if you're watching this video, man, but he showed me the line weight, and I'm applying it to my work, and it adds thickness and depth to your art, especially as a line artist. So as you can see, I'm adding some volume. Listen, peoples, if you need the volume in your art, the shadows and the lights, the darks and the whites. Like Martin Luther King said, we all got to come together now. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So I'm trying to make sure, just add the volume, man. Try to make sure the artwork pop. Make sure it bring that certain glow, that certain aesthetic, that stare. I know why the hell I keep doing all this, but I'm loving how I'm sounding like now. Why I clear my throat. All right, guys. Right now I'm just adding, eyebrows. Make sure my eyeballs are nice, so I can see. And finally, time to add the skin color. Add that beautiful brown skin I get. You know what I mean? Yeah, just like as a kid, man, you color inside the lines like a coloring book. And make sure you clean up, any of the residue of color. Like I said, that's the beauty of Photoshop, man. Just the mistakes you made can be gone just like that. I remember when I used to color normally, then if I mess up, then I'm like, damn, I'm messed up. Like, ain't really nothing I could do. I just have to really hide it. Photoshop, you can really get away with all of it. Just make sure it's gone. All right, color in the hand. Yeah, you know, like mostly, I know it's a cartoon, but in real life, inside the hand is not brown either, so we gotta light it up. You know what I mean? We gotta add some Drake to it. that was a joke, man. I hope y'all laugh out there. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's how it is. All right, now I gotta color the beard, man. I gotta color this thick beard. Right now, I'm just doing it light. I lower the opacity for the beard, so I can make sure that it's inside the lines, and then voila, I can darken it. But you know what, guys? Something missing. There you go. I gotta have that beard texture. Hey, I ain't got no gray yet, but you guys gonna see where I'm going with this. Y'all gonna see where I'm going with this. So basically, I added on for the beard texture that makes it look more authentic. Make it pop. Make it pop. Man, that look crazy on my face. So all that the white dots and stuff. Oh man, and that don't sound right. But anyway, I'm lowering the opacity. Lowering the opacity to make sure it's nice and thick. And right now, you know, I'm not putting on lipstick, man. Ain't that type of party right there. But yeah, I'm just trying to add, you know, the color of my lips. You know, try to add the pinkness, the volume to it. Like you say, trying to make it pop. Voila. Right now, I'm coloring my head. You know, I'm a big head guy. You know, could be hairline reasons. Hey, I'm still handsome. You know what I mean? But yeah, just coloring the head. Now the shirt. They're trying to make sure the fit is nice. Which is simple things, you know. It's a simple, easy thing. Just color inside the lines, people, man. You learn since you was a kid, and you just continue to learn. And just keep applying it as an adult. Pretty simple. Okay, I'm about to color the pen. And last but not least, guys, about to add some light. Like I said, you need the value. You gotta have all these different types of value to really stand out as an artist to pop. And I always use my lights at the end. You know, like I got the light shining on me, the man above blessing me. And yeah, guys, you know, this is it. It's the first episode. Drawin Spit with CartoonTaj. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.